oil. It's hot. Got my eyelid at least, and not my eye. That would have been a lot worse. It actually got me in the eye. Hype, hype, let's go. Let's go. Coffee. Let's go. Alright. Where am I gonna put my mushrooms? I made so much darn salad on this plate. Okay, we'll figure that out. It's gonna work, chat, I promise. Alright. Let's slice up this ahi. Ah! Oh, this looks so good. Alright. Seriously? I want it to sit for a second, but at the same time I don't, because I just want to eat it. I know it's going to be so good. Okay. Let's take a look at what this looks like. Alright, the end, looking pinkish. Oh yeah. That's it. Although I am cutting it kind of at the wrong angle, but that's okay. I really don't care. It looks beautiful. Huh. I see a certain someone staring at me thinking she gets ahi tonight. You might be wishful thinking there, puppy dog. I got some jerky for you. I don't know if you're getting ahi though. Alright, so I'm just gonna fan these out. Hey, General Grillworst, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Much appreciated. Alright. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Turn over that end piece right there. Oh. Yes. Really? Oh, yeah. Right. It's not really going to be a perfect thing. I was just going to pick it all up with the knife, but I'm not going to now. I just wanted to show the tops and the bottoms and the ways it was cooked. I'm not even going to do it anymore. Here. This is what I'm doing. I'm going to tuck out the leaves for definition. Ah! And I break that one. Dork. That's okay. I'll still look good. Okay. We're good. I'm going to top that off. Dude, seriously? Guys, here. Look at this. Look at how perfect that is. That is exactly what I want. it out though. It does look kind of funny now that I look at it. I'd rather go. Let's go back to yeah. Let's go back to keeping it one direction. Looks a little cleaner that way. Okay. That and what else we got? Gosh, have to repeat. Yeah, what am I gonna do with our mushroom onion sauté? I'm gonna put that on the plate. I'm gonna stop eating the sauté. Mmm. Mmm. I can't even think right now. I'm like chewing on my ahi, loving it. Alright. It's like, scoot in. I need a little more room. You're a big plate. We all gotta fit in here together because I'm damn hungry. And I may or may not eat all of you. Those terms are negotiable. Okay. Bam. Clean that up a little bit. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, so here's the final creation, chat. We got our bacon salad. We got our ahi, which is absolutely cooked amazing. And we got our sauteed mushrooms and onions with teriyaki and Mongolian sauce on the side. Absolutely fantastic. I'm going to plow through this entire thing. My goodness. Oh, goodness me. Alright. Oh, and this bacon. I still got a bunch of bacon over here, too. Alright. Guys. It's coming that time. It's about time to wrap it up. Thank you guys so much, as always, for hanging out. There would not be a stream without you guys. Let's throw a raid somebody's way.